Okay, so on this one, they want us to figure out 25 to the minus 1/2. Well, there's two rules we got to be clear on. So negative powers, meaning this part right there, negative powers jump to the, so negative powers jump to the other side of the fraction and then become a positive power. So my first step then on this one is to make this become 1 over 25 to the positive half. See what happened there? So that negative power, negative means like they're unhappy. It's like somebody that's unhappy at their job. They're negative about their job and they jump to a new job and then they're happy, then they're positive. So that's what negative powers do. They're unhappy where they're at. They want to jump to the other side of the fraction, they jump down to the bottom. That leaves nothing on the top, so we just put a 1, right? Whenever the top vanishes, we just put a 1. And then the power becomes positive, then it's happy. Now, the second part of this question is what do we do about a fractional power? So now we have a fractional power. How do we handle fractional powers? Well, x to the a over b fractional power, the b swings into the hook like that. So it's two ways of saying the same thing. You can, fractional power or root are like saying 1 and uno. You're saying the same number in two different languages. You just got to take the bottom of the fractional power and swing it into the root. So therefore, this is going to become, we still have the fraction and the 1 on the top, but on the bottom, what's going to happen is this little 2 is going to swing here and be 2th root. That sounds weird. Second root of 25 to the 1. See how I just took like that denominator and swung it into the hook? Took that denominator and swung it into the hook. Okay, so then what is that? Well, we can do it from here pretty easy, right? So it's on the bottom, this is just the square root of 25. 25 to the 1, that's just 25. What's the square root of 25? 5, no more root. Remember, when the root does his thing, he leaves. I see common mistake, a lot of students leave the root on there. No, when you root 25, he does his job and he leaves, and it's just 5. Square root of 25 is just 5. Notice what times itself twice is 25? Well, 5. 5 is the number, times itself twice, that's 25. And the root's gone. So the answer is 1/5. Notice the answer is positive in the end. It's not negative. What did that negative power do? Jumped it to the bottom. Then the fractional power swung into the hook. So it's the square root of 25. 1 over the square root of 25, so it's 1/5. And there we go.